Welcome to our channel on Mindful Living. Today, we're going to talk about how spending time in nature can improve your physical and mental health. With our busy lifestyles, it's easy to forget to step outside and take in the beauty around us. But research has shown that spending time in nature has numerous benefits. In this video, we'll discuss the science behind these benefits and provide tips for incorporating nature into your routine. There's a growing body of research that shows spending time in nature has positive effects on our health. Studies have shown that being in nature can lower stress levels, boost our mood, and even improve our cognitive function. Exposure to natural light can help regulate our sleep patterns, and being in nature has been linked to a stronger immune system. Time in nature has also been shown to improve symptoms of depression and anxiety. Spending time in nature is not only good for our mental health, but it can also benefit our physical health. Walking or hiking on trails is an excellent way to get exercise, while also breathing in fresh air. Being in nature has also been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Research has found that spending time in green spaces can also boost our immune system, making us more resilient to illness. In addition to the physical benefits, spending time in nature has been shown to have a positive impact on our mental health. Studies have found that nature can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Being in nature can also help us feel more relaxed and less stressed. The quiet, peaceful atmosphere of nature can help us clear our minds and improve our focus. Now that we understand the benefits of spending time in nature, let's discuss how to incorporate it into our routines. Here are some tips to get started. Take a walk or hike in a nearby park or nature reserve. Practice mindfulness in nature, focus on your surroundings and being present in the moment. Plant a garden or start a small herb garden. Have a picnic or eat your meals outdoors. Take up outdoor activities like cycling or kayaking. Let's try a spending time in nature exercise. Find a nearby park or green space and take a walk. Focus on the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Take deep breaths and inhale the fresh air. Take your time and savor the experience. that's it for today's video on the benefits of spending time in nature. We hope you found this helpful and informative. Remember, spending time in nature is a simple and effective way to improve your physical and mental health. So, make it a priority to step outside and take in the beauty around you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content on mindful living. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know your thoughts on spending time in nature. Now close your eyes, relax, and enjoy nature's sounds for the next few minutes.